Hi there. Today, I'm going to talk about the COVID 19 vaccine and most frequently asked questions about it. It is very clear that the COVID 19 vaccine is the best tool to combat the pandemic in the hands of healthcare workers and in the hands of physicians. Right at the beginning, what activities are going on around the world? 54.4 million people up to now have been vaccinated in 31 countries, and daily 2.7 million shots are being given. In United States alone, 17 million shots have been given and 35 million doses are distributed. And daily estimate is 900,000 shots. First of all, is the question arising in mind is that what are the benefits we get with the COVID-19 vaccine? Vaccination, of course, will protect the people from COVID 19 infection, and it is a safer way to build the protection in terms of antibodies inside the body. And of course, as I pointed earlier, this is an important to stop the pandemic across the globe. Another question, if I have a COVID 19, do I need to get vaccine? Yes, the question is big yes, rather. It is seen that there is a chance of reinfection, but the reinfection is commonly seen after 90 days. There is no definite data, but this is a common observation. So, after or within 90 days or just around 90 days, one should get again this vaccine if they had been infected. So, there is no, guarantee that they will not be reinfected. They should also get vaccinated so that they are also on the same line and protected properly. And the other thing is that this data regarding that how long the infection will give the immunity, scientists are working on that, and sooner or later the data will be available that the natural infection or this COVID-19 infection, how long protects the person after getting it. And there are the reports, of course, everybody knows that there is reinfection as well. Uh, the other question is which lasts longer, immunity after getting COVID 19 or protection from vaccine? So, still, because this is in the initial phase, we do not know exactly, but it has been seen that the infection gives you protection only for up to 90 days, while vaccine is expected to be more on that. And that's why the vaccines, they are not a single shot, they are given on two shots to build up and boost up the immunity. Herd immunity is commonly being asked that the whole community is being immune to certain infection. COVID-19 herd immunity is being questioned and being studied, but we do not know that how much people should get vaccinated and then whole community will be immune. But there are different thresholds for different diseases. For example, polio, it was 80%, and for measles, it was 95%. So if the 95% people are having disease and vaccinated at the same time, so if 95% patient have got immunity, so 5% people are automatically become immune or become protected. So that is the term which is, used in herd immunity or the immunity on large. What are the ingredients of vaccine? These people are asking commonly also that what is actually included? It is inactivated vaccine or is it technologically messenger RNA? Of course, there are different vaccines in different parts of the world. In North America and UK, they are working both in messenger RNA and inactivated. But in rich countries like US, they are using the messenger RNA vaccine, but they do not contain the eggs and preservatives or latics in it, which can cause allergies and others kind of things. So, and the fact sheets are available of all these vaccines which are being used in the United States and other parts of the world. Pfizer Biotech, we just search on the fact sheet of Pfizer Bionet and the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. The fact sheet will be available, which gives you exact detail what is in the vaccine, so that you understand before uh, getting the shot and you become confident. Well, this is another after vaccination. This may be a common concept that the after vaccine we should not observe the common, I mean, the protective measures which we are doing. No, until unless the health organization in the world, CDC, WHO, and other organization in Europe, they declare that the people cannot use or can be without the SOPs. Those they should continue to observe the protective measures, and these are: wear a mask over your nose and mouth, stay at least 6 feet away from others, avoid crowds, avoid poorly ventilated areas, and wash your hands frequently and properly. These are the important measures which should continue after the vaccination too. Another question, keep it in mind, most of the vaccines are, using two shots which are available now, and one shot at the zero time and the other shot in case of Pfizer after 21 days, and in case of Moderna it is in gap in the span of 1 month, and the age is also important. Pfizer is given after 16 and Moderna is after the age of 18 years. So two shots are given. There are some vaccines which are in clinical trials, which may need only a single shot, but their efficacy and their safety has not yet been determined. So we will see when they will be in the market. Yes, this is another issue, that can the other vaccine be used at the same time? Well, if you are using other vaccines, do not mix it with other vaccines. If the COVID-19 vaccine is given and you want to do other vaccines, wait for 14 days. So don't mix. If it is inadvertently given, then do not stop the series of the vaccine. So this is the up to now the answers from the health authority. And but what can we do until I'm waiting for my vaccine? What can I do? So continue to protect yourself and others following these recommendations. Wear a mask over your nose and mouth. Stay at least 6 feet away from others. Avoid crowding. And whenever there is a need for travel, follow the travel guidelines of the recommended agencies.